But how is it, Mr. Ashtonga?
He's fine, cooperating very well. He says he will soon again going back to medical checkups in South Africa.
Going forward, do you see any prospects of a GNU going forward?
That's the course.
Some are lobbying for it.
You are allowed to vote. We are a democratic country. People can vote for anything.
Mr. President,
Currently, there is no need.
Mr. President, did you come to visit Mr. Tsvangirai?
Where am I now?
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Ladies, thank you. Appreciate it.